If you saw video from yesterday, I defrost those tuna steaks. Now I'm gonna make some poke probably from this things. This is ginger for poke. What's this crack? It's better. I'm gonna talk about the diet. I have a 4-day of keto diet, Monday to Thursday. Friday water fast, Saturday low fat carbs, like sweet potato, maybe pasta with fat-free tomato dressing. Also on fat-free day, I'm gonna eat white bread, not whole wheat bread, and maybe white rice, not brown rice. And if you ask why, the answer is leptons. Leptons are those little proteins in plants Is this enough or not? Probably it's enough of this. Okay. Now I'm going to add soy sauce. This is sesame oil, and I'm gonna dice some green onions. Okay. Onions. I think I'll add some balsamic vinegar because I like it. I don't know what else they put in there. Maybe a little bit of salt. I don't know. Maybe more soy sauce. Maybe olive oil. This should be enough. Now I can add tuna and put it in the fridge for an hour or two. I'm gonna put a napkin. think I'll put it in a container. Alright, refrigerator. And here in the refrigerator I got salt cured frozen salmon, sockeye wild caught. I have this half sheets of nori, and I'll make 2 rolls with cured salmon, cream cheese, and avocado. Let's start. Okay. Here's how I cut avocado. Squeeze the pit. Toss the pit. There you go. Let's layer the avocado. Let's deal with cream cheese. I find the easiest way to deal with cream cheese is to cut little pieces with sharp knife. And stick it back into the box so it wouldn't dry out. You see, this side still intact, and it will sit in a box and wait for you. Alright. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some cucumbers. Cucumbers. Let's try to roll it. I will use cucumber for moisture, to glue it kind of. Okay, I'll let it sit here. And start another roll. Okay. Cucumbers. Back in a box. Okay, avocado. oyster. Alright, let's cut it. Okay, next one. So I have soup from yesterday. I'm going to eat the soup in a couple hours. And I eat maybe poke. And for now I'm gonna eat this with soy sauce and wasabi blend. I wanted to talk about leptin. They basically in everything, grains, especially whole wheats, and rice, especially unpolished brown rice, and all kind of things except avocado. So in beans on my carb day I have to use pressure cooker to kill most of them if I want to eat them. No whole wheat bread, no whole wheat pasta. White bread, yes, I'm gonna eat it. This is it, basically. Goitrogens, they're basically in all this crustacean, spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, all kind of green things. And also they are in plastic bottles. They're BPA free or something, but polypropylene free, but they still have some kind of goitrogen here. So that one you can little bit slow down them with boiling your greens, but there is no real answer to how to avoid them, and they slow down your thyroid and slowly kill you. I don't know if it plants defense mechanism from those who eat them or something. Basically this is it. Check it out Tuesday.